In the heart of America, where the soil is rich and the climate is perfect, millions of blueberries are harvested every year. But have you ever wondered how these tiny blue gems go from the farms of the USA to your table? From skilled hands to cutting-edge technology, every step is designed to bring you the freshest, juiciest blueberries. But what happens behind the scenes? Did you know that the USA produces nearly 700 million pounds of blueberries every year? These tiny blue gems are not just delicious, but also packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, a true superfood. Join us as we uncover the incredible journey of USA-grown blueberries, from farm to factory to your home. As the first rays of sunlight touch these vast fields, a new day of blueberry harvesting begins. Across the USA, thousands of farmers prepare to bring in one of nature's sweetest and healthiest fruits. But what does it take to grow the perfect blueberry? The journey starts long before harvesting. It begins with the soil, the climate, and the dedication of farmers who nurture these plants throughout the year. Blueberries need well-drained, acidic soil with a pH level between 4.5 and 5.5. Farmers test the soil regularly and add organic matter like peat moss to maintain the perfect growing conditions. Blueberry bushes are planted in early spring or fall, spaced properly to allow air circulation and sunlight. These plants take nearly 3 years to reach full fruit production, but the wait is worth it. After flowering, small green berries appear, gradually ripening into the deep blue color we all love. This process depends on temperature, sunlight, and careful irrigation. Did you know bees play a crucial role in blueberry farming? Farmers often introduce honeybee hives to improve pollination and increase yields. To protect the crop, farmers use natural pest control methods and sustainable farming practices, ensuring a healthy harvest without excessive chemical use. A blueberry plant typically starts producing fruit in 2 to 3 years, but it takes 5 to 6 years to reach full production. Harvesting blueberries at the right time is crucial. If picked too early, they won't be sweet enough, and if left too long, they may spoil. But how do farmers know when blueberries are ready? Ripe blueberries have a deep blue color, while unripe ones may appear greenish or light purple. A ripe berry easily detaches from the stem when touched lightly, while an unripe one stays firmly attached. The sweetness of blueberries is measured using the Brix test. If the Brix level is between 10 and 15, it means the berries are perfectly sweet and ready for harvest. For fresh market blueberries, hand picking is the preferred method. Skilled pickers gently twist and pluck the ripe berries, ensuring they remain intact and undamaged. This process is labor-intensive, as a single picker can harvest about 50 to 80 pounds per day. However, it ensures the best quality and freshness. But when farms cover thousands of acres, hand-picking is not practical. This is where modern harvesting machines come in. These high-tech machines gently shake the blueberry bushes, causing only the ripe berries to fall while the unripe ones remain attached. The berries are then transferred via a conveyor system to large bins, ready for post-harvest processing. After harvesting, blueberries go through a state-of-the-art processing system to ensure only the best ones make it to your table. Advanced sorting machines use cameras and sensors to detect size, ripeness, and imperfections. Any berries that don't meet quality standards are removed. Next, the blueberries go through a multi-stage washing process to remove dirt and contaminants. After washing, they are quickly cooled to lock in freshness. Some blueberries are destined for the frozen food market. These berries undergo flash freezing at -18 degrees Celsius, preserving their nutrients and flavor for months. Finally, the blueberries are carefully packed into eco-friendly containers and labeled, ready to be shipped across the country and beyond. From the farm to the factory and finally to your supermarket, blueberries go through an incredible journey to reach your table in the freshest condition possible. So next time you grab a handful of these delicious berries, remember the hard work and technology that made it possible.